लगी है?
भूख तो लगी है।
क्या खाओगे?
कुछ भी चलेगा।
दीदी
हाँ
भूख लगी है।
क्या खाओगे?
कुछ भी।
ब्रेड पड़ी है।
पड़ी तो है। सैंडविच
पीने के लिए
मोजितो।
ओके, लेमनेड वाला।
ठीक है।
हेलो।
सामान तो निकाल लिया मैंने, तो बनाया अब।
ठीक है चलो।
पहले क्या बनाए?
पहले
कुछ खाने का बनाते हैं।
ठीक है, खाने का।
तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं। It's not day, मेरे से नहीं खुल रही तो नहीं खुल रही। खोलो।
We need to do surgery.
सर्जरी।
मेरा आइडिया था।
Reflexes.
See, we cut this part.
Why no?
No, it won't taste good then. We
No.
need to cut that.
Then this is your sandwich. You take this sandwich.
It's yours.
This is making me cut the crust off. What the hell? You will eat it without crust only.
पूरा ही काट दो ना white bread मेरी तो। ऐसे काट रही हो?
क्रस्ट ही काट रही हूँ मैं, और कुछ नहीं काट रही हूँ। It doesn't look
Like a white bread now.
It just looks like a bread. No crust.
That's yours.
Don't you dare think about that.
मेरा तो ये रहा.
Ah!
This is something. We'll use this later.
We'll use this as tomato. क्या कर रही हो?
ये अच्छी ब्रेड नहीं है. अच्छा शेप नहीं है उसका.
The type of things I have to deal with making.
So now we are gonna make my sandwich.
So veggies. We're gonna put
I'll put it. Cucumbers. I put 3 cucumbers. Or more than that. I put 5 cucumbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 cucumbers. 5 tomato.
tomatoes.
Tomatoes are there. Yeah, tomatoes are there.
People on the
I put 4 carrots because carrots are not that good. Even though I have glasses. Onion भर के डालूंगी.
No. Onion very bittery.
Onion is too good. Too good to put less.
Tomato.
Tomato डाल रही हूँ. I put the small one.
Bruh. Take that garam masala right from there.
I know that.
Their sandwich is looking good.
I know, right?
Yeah. Amchur. Put any sauce if you want. We have mayonnaise
Mayonnaise, burger sauce,
and ketchup.
ketchup. I won't put. Ketchup is not an option for me. I'll put little everything. Should I put it on the side or either?
Other side.
Okay. It's closed.
No, shake it.
Sorry.
Put it down and then. Okay.
Shit. Shit! Had to happen. टूट गया. चलो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Okay, निकल रहा है.
इतना सारा उधर निकाल के बोल रही हो निकल रहा है. It's best if you use that sauce only निकली हुई वाली.
Oh, fine.
No wasting food. Very bad. You're not even using it properly.
Shut up. I didn't ask for your thingy, right? Okay, mayonnaise is done. हाथ पे लग गई. Next, I'm
Okay,
gonna
now take
put
the burger sauce.
उसको एक बार टेस्ट कर लेना वरना पता चले पुई थोड़ी सी यस निकल रही है दिया दिया इट्स कमिंग दिया
ये भी फटाक से निकलेगी.
निकल गई.
हाँ इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. टिश्यू.
You are not removing that sauce. You are not removing. You are putting that sauce. Wasting food.
Who told I'm missing food? I'm washing my hands.
Washing your hand.
New चम्मच.
Why?
खराब हो गया.
The hell?
The hell.
आजकल के बच्चे.
अच्छे से लगी.
मेरी गलती. Okay guys, so her sandwich is ready.
Yeah. It tastes so good.
You didn't even taste it.
I tasted.
Guys, so this is her final look of the sandwich.
Final look.
And now we're gonna grill it
Mm-hmm.
and then make it a proper sandwich.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the griller thingy.
And let's hope she doesn't burn the whole house down.
Okay. First we put butter. इतना आता है मुझे.
Oh, इतना आता है बस?
सब कुछ आता है मुझे तो.
She took her carrot out by the way.
निकल गया था वो ठीक है.
Which I definitely did not eat.
निकल. Give me. I know. Give me spoon. Spoon. जल्दी करो गरम हो जाएगा ये.
तो पैन गर्म नहीं होगा कि ठंडा होगा?
तो अरे ये वाला क्यों दिया यार?
यही है. चाहिए तो लो. I thought you know how to grill.
I know how to do a grill.
Yeah, I think it's best if you put that on it.
Should I? I've never used a griller in my whole life. Okay, and now we're gonna make the butter go bish, go here and there, because that's how a griller works, right?
Yeah, okay. Okay, that's not how you do it. दूसरे साइड का ग्रिल कौन करेगा?
कर रही हूँ ना.
कैसे?
करूँगी मैं. I have an idea. You keep quiet.
She turned the entire pan ulta.
हाँ, I've seen this trick.
Hey, good one. Do it. I'm not doing anything. Move.
मेरा sandwich. क्या किया?
You ruined your own sandwich and you're screaming at me.
मेरा she bro. I'm gonna also do this to yours.
Wait, let me take these veggies out and then you can put them back in.
Yeah, please. Take this also out.
वो प्याज तो पक ही गया.
ये भी निकालो.
I think that's enough grilled.
The downwards not enough grilled now. Shut up! I know how to do
I'm
it.
not even speaking. Guys,
We
peace
see
out.
from down this
Peace out.
It's okay. It looks done. It looks done. That's all it matters.
Guys, her sandwich is done. Looks yum. And now Diya will do the taste test. Taste test, please. Do
Okay.
taste test of your own sandwich.
Okay. See? So the thing of the sandwich, the first bread is grilled.
Enough, I guess.
I like it.
Bro, do you not know how to eat a
It's
sandwich?
also grilled. I like it. Oh, let me put my stuff. Because आपने निकाल दिया था.
मैंने.
ठीक है. आपने नहीं निकाला कुछ.
Ah, that's more. I like it. वो एक
वो पक गया पूरा.
out of 10, how much?
Good.
Okay, now we're gonna.
9.5.
Now we're gonna make my sandwich.
Okay, so now it's my turn. And I forgot to put cheese. I forgot. Yeah, that's what.
She forgot to put cheese in her sandwich.
पूरा चीज चला गई मुझे.
You guys, my turn for my sandwichy now. I have 2 breads over here. I'm gonna take veggies. 2 cucumbers. We're gonna keep it very minimal. 2
Ketchup,
cucumbers.
10 बार डालेगी.
No, actually 3. What we say? 3 carrots. 2 cucumbers. Should I put tomato?
If you want to.
No tomato. Then we have cheese slice, which Diya forgot.
It's okay.
Plus we have mozzarella cheese as well, which I'm gonna be putting.
मैं काम करती हूँ. मैं धैर्य को ना मेरा सैंडविच दे देती हूँ. And I'll
No.
make a new one for me.
Dharya doesn't like your sandwich, right, Dharya? Bro's eating it. Okay, it's bread. It's bread. Dharya का sandwich next है. Why is this cheese not cheesing, yaar? This cheese should cheese, right? Cheese is supposed to cheese. प्यार के महीने में एक ही नशा है पर दिल चीज तुझे देती 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 देती. Okay, now we have ketchup. My fave. Never mind. It's not opened.
Okay. So we decided that Dhaya will take my sandwich and
No. Not happening. There is
I'm
not
making you one.
No.
Guys, why not taking mine? My sister. Guys, I'm touching that.
My
Okay.
ketchup slice.
I'm still gonna make a new one.
Anyways,
Yeah.
next is mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
No, never mind. This is lemon. What is mozzarella cheese? Okay. Sorry. I just saw. So we are gonna put some.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a new one.
No.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna put cheese on both the sides.
What the hell? You took my plate.
Where's your name? And let's go and grill the sandwich with me. Okay, so now I have my sandwich.
Yes.
I'm
And
gonna-
this mine.
We're gonna make yours after mine. So I have on the gas. So unlike Diya, I have experience with this. Ready?
Yeah, you should.
It's
I'm
here.
not in the camera because I'm making my own sandwich.
Stand, come in, let's my face, stand first. Right angle. And here again, and come down.
Oh, this is good. Just really hope this doesn't. Oh, nothing fell apart. Yikes. So now we're gonna wait for it to get that print of the thingy.
Did you guys mozzarella cheese?
Oh, that purple wala.
Hello.
That's sliced cheese.
I saw it when you used both. Did you use both?
No, I didn't use both.
No, you used both.
Whoa, it's so good.
I'm such a professional.
Don't put it in me. Don't do that. Don't do it in you.
Did you किस्मत ही खराब है?
क्या? मेरा भी ऐसे ही निकला. Bro, cheese is not cooperating with us.
Yeah, ये चीज बना लो.
Okay, guys, so we are done with my sandwich.
हो गया फिर से जल्दी.
Yes, girl.
Smoke डाल रहा है.
Pretty. And now we're gonna eat it. Now we're gonna make Dharya's sandwich. It's just the same thing. Bread. Then we have. How many cucumbers do you want? 3.
And 3. This.
Carrots.
Yeah.
Carrots good for eyesight.
Yes. I like healthy.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I like food.
Then we have cheese.
Yeah.
There it doesn't eat sliced cheese, so now we're not gonna put sliced cheese.
I eat. I'm taking with rice cheese.
Okay, now we have to take out sliced cheese because Dharya wants to eat it. Okay, so we're done with Dharya's sandwiches.
That.
Dharya eats it with most probably only cheese.
Yeah.
So we put only cheese for him
No, I want. Oh yeah. Sauce.
with sauce.
Both.
Both which both?
Both. There's
This one?
both chips. Both. Both.
This one?
Both.
Okay, bro, we get it both.
Yeah. More. I want more.
That's enough.
And then spread it.
I will spread it.
Okay. Where's the spoons? I like it. Where's spoons? Oh. This is good for health. You can make home. See this video and make it.
Okay, so now we're done with their sandwich and now we're gonna grill it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna taste my sandwich. Mmm, it's good. It's good. 10 on 10. Now let's make the Harris.
Butter. Come on. Take a butter. Butter.
First we're gonna oil it.
And take a butter now.
You take butter?
And put it what?
No.
Right.
We're not allowed to use the pan yet.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
We're gonna spread it.
Yeah, big fire. Well, Mr. Now it's time.
Take the sandwich.
Your hands are dry. Didi, your hands are dry.
No.
Why?
I don't know. Why do you want it to be fried? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 0,
Eh.
3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, butter fried. Please.
Fried it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bruh.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
So the Harris sandwich is done as well.
Yay!
And now let's taste test. So now they're gonna taste his bread. Sorry. Sandwich.
Yeah.
How is it?
Isn't it? There's only cheese.
You like cheese.
Okay, I'm taking it.
He likes it. So now next we're gonna make his
Yay! Now I'm gonna
Start the video.
Start it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the mojito, and my first idea I got that I'm gonna sugar it from the the sides, like from the top, so it has that taste, you know.
Taste. I'm sorry, taste.
Yes. It has that flavor, you know.
Flavor, wow, flavor.
Stop, bro. Chalega.
Your
So we put sugar in a
English is
plate.
not Englishing.
We put lemon, like we rub it on the thingies.
On the thingies. Sometimes I just love her English, bro.
Okay. Done.
No, not done.
It's done.
No,
Okay,
it's
and
not.
then we yeah,
Having
I
an
know this.
adventure.
I
You know,
need
you
to
can just
put up.
do this.
Yeah, I know,
get
but
floated.
it doesn't. इधर पूरा नहीं आता ना.
किसने बोला?
आ गया. It looks so good.
No, it's,
No, it
it's
doesn't.
coming in like diamonds.
Yeah,
Okay.
bro.
And next we're gonna put. What did you have to put? I forgot. Yeah, spinach and what?
Spinach, mint leaves,
Sorry, mint
mint
and
leaves, sugar, and then pushu.
mint leaf sugar. We didn't. Okay, fine. ठीक है.
And
We forgot everything, but okay.
like this.
Put save also.
It's glass. This is glass.
Okay.
Guys, I hope this mojito turns out to be a mojito, not something else.
Yeah. It can make
Stop,
a juice
yaar,
also.
don't
And,
do that, Didi.
and it can make a
We put
juice.
sugar. We put some lemon.
Why? Okay.
पूरा हाथ पे लग गया. It's okay. I'm not doing anything with it.
Put it there. Okay. There.
Where?
Yeah. I can go myself.
One lemon was not enough, so we are putting 2 lemon.
Can you show them the entire thing? Whatever pagalpanti she's doing in the mojito.
अरे यार वापस का. Okay.
Can I-
शुगर जा रहा है. नहीं मेरा है. आपने बनाया ना?
देखो.
नहीं, you're not you. Not you.
तो मैं स्प्राइट डाल सकता हूँ?
Sprite नहीं है, रब डालोगे. आप बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दोगे.
तो मैं अपने लाल
आराम से ग्लास न टूट जाए.
तो मैं
Okay. And now we are gonna put some jeera.
जीरा मैं डालूं?
This. Oh, from here this. Sorry.
नमक डालना है.
नमक डालना है. Sorry forgot. ओ यार नमक को भी स्मैश करना था. It's okay.
मैं डाल
तो
सकता
मैश करना था.
हूँ? यार.
Okay.
I can
Done.
do it.
And smells really good.
Actually, it
No.
does, bro. It smells really good.
But
It's okay. You get this. Yeah. And now we're gonna put Sprite.
I'm out of
Wait. You'll put ice.
Yeah.
No ice.
Ice, yes. It's
मेरे-
गर्मी है.
Guys, I found rasmalai.
Yeah. हमने रसमलाई की थी.
पानी में रसमलाई है?
Wait.
There is no ice in the.
There is.
Oh,
There, take.
the way these children are fighting to put ice is
No, it's
hilarious.
his turn. Take.
Yeah, this until.
Okay, we need to do.
There are no more
I'm
ice.
putting.
अरे एक ice में क्या होगा?
I have an idea.
No, Didi.
Wait. What if we make it like.
अरे give me this first. अरे I'm not doing it. I'm taking it out.
Okay.
Take.
We're gonna do this in the ending.
Yeah.
This आ रहा
Keep
है?
it back. Put it back.
We're gonna wait.
Okay, now we are gonna put the Sprite.
Thumb.
No, we don't need to do that now.
What?
Open.
And the color?
Color
I'm
will
the
be yellow.
Shaktiman over here.
How do you put a color?
Color we won't put now. Give.
हाँ. I can put the Sprite.
That's why I told let me open it first.
Full yeah.
Wait.
Hey, did hold them. I'll show the explosion to them.
This is Sprite's cap.
पूरा डालो.
Put it on.
कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. You ruined the experience for them.
दिख रहा है उनको.
This one fell down.
And now I'm gonna put the ice stuff on it.
We're going to do something.
नहीं.
Done.
बन गया है बहुत.
We're going to put
No,
this here.
not that.
We're going to do that.
And now wait. Now let me show my
I'm to do
magic.
that.
No, you're not old enough. Move. Diya, move. Yuck! Diya, no! अगर नीचे गिरेगा तो फिर देखना.
नीचे कुछ नहीं गिरेगा.
Sure. Okay, anyways, move. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but yeah, bro.
It's doing shit. कुछ नहीं हो रहा दीदी. हो गया. Now I'm gonna taste test this because
No.
I made it. Okay.
I'm going to do
So
first.
एक मिनट let me tell them. Wait. Sugar, mint, ice, good.
Not me still trying to bring out it.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Give me.
It's working, bro. It's working. You're just
Too late. सबने पी लिया.
You're just too dumb to see
How
it.
is it?
See, it's working.
How is it?
Bro.
It's good.
I'm finishing all that.
Impressive.
There's what color what?
Okay, guys, that's all for our video today. I hope you enjoyed our cooking.
Today Dhैर्य came for a cooking video and we like that.
Yes.
We're gonna see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.
मेरे जाते ही जा रहा है.
And sad.
We'll see you in the
And
next
don't forget
video.
to share our video as well.
And
तब तक-
don't bell icon.
Don't like bell icon. Please do hit the bell icon button. And we're gonna see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए
Bye.
bye.